Galaxy Unpacked unleashes S24 Ultra, powered by cutting-edge AI. With the launch of Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, tech enthusiasts have been going crazy as the titan's covered by cutting-edge artificial intelligence. Imagine a smartphone that moonlights as a telepathic photographer, capturing the Mona Lisa's smile from a mile away with pixel-perfect clarity, or a phone that lets you paint the night sky with your thumb, transforming grainy shadows into a symphony of starlight. That's the S24 Ultra in a nutshell, a tech marvel that pushes the boundaries of what's possible, all while fitting snugly in your pocket. Gad Insider walks you down the features and specifications of the newly launched Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Galaxy S24 Ultra runs on Android 14 with One UI 6.1 on top and features a 6.8-inch Edge QHD Plus dynamic AMOLED 2-time display with an adaptive refresh rate of 1 Hz to 120 Hz and 2600 nits of peak brightness. The display has a vision booster feature for improved visibility in outdoor conditions and has Corning Gorilla armor protection. Moreover, the handset features a titanium chassis, which is a significant upgrade over the aluminum frame of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The S24 Ultra is powered by a custom version of Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC, which comes with 12 GB of RAM as standard and up to 1 TB of onboard storage. The Galaxy S24 Ultra boasts a quad rear camera setup, headlined by a 200 megapixel wide camera with an f1.8 lens and an 85-degree field of view and optical image stabilization. The camera unit comprises of a 12 megapixel ultra-wide shooter with f2.2 aperture and 120 degrees field of view, a 50 megapixel telephoto shooter with OIS, f3.4 aperture and 5-time optical zoom, and a 10 megapixel telephoto shooter with 3-time optical zoom and OIS support and f2.4 aperture. Meanwhile, for selfies and video chats, it has a 12 megapixel camera at the front with an f2.2 lens and an 80-degree field of view. Connectivity options on the Galaxy S24 Ultra include 5G, 4G LTE, Wi-Fi 7, Wi-Fi Direct, Bluetooth 5.3, and a USB Type-C port. It has a bundled S Pen stylus. For privacy and security, the makers have included Samsung Knox Vault, and passkeys for accessing registered websites and apps. It comes with an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. It has a magnificent battery life, as Galaxy S23 Ultra has been packed with a 5000 mAh battery with support for 45-volt wired charging and fast wireless charging 2.0 that offers 15-watt charging speeds. The charging technologies claim to charge the battery to 65% in just 30 minutes. The handset supports wireless power share for charging other wireless charging supported devices. Besides, the smartphone measures 79 to 162.3 into 8.6 millimeter and weighs 232 grams. It'll be available in titanium gray, titanium black, titanium violet, and titanium yellow color options. Here's what the pricing is like. The Galaxy S24 Ultra base 12GB and 256GB storage variant is priced at $1,299. The Galaxy S24 Ultra base 12GB and 512GB storage variant is priced at $1,419, whereas the Galaxy S24 Ultra base 12GB and 1TB storage variant is priced at $1,659.